Hey everyone, factoring into Ceiling's penultimate update for Le Mans. So we've just got one more update to do after this, which will be Wednesday evening. I think the pattern is pretty much set now. We reached the idea from the GFS model on the last update, and it's been maintained really for this update, which is preceding Le Mans. So from Wednesday through to the end of the week, it looks quite unsettled with lots of heavy showers, and then things should improve for the actual event itself. So I'll get on with the update in a second. Just remember, this is for the Piston Heads community who are taking their annual pilgrimage to Le Mans later on this week, and they've asked Gazwaviz to do a few updates for them. So I'll get on with it in a second. If I get on with that, though, just say about the ads. There's links to articles on all the pages. You can have a browse widgets and click through the links. You'll be helping to pay for the website, and thanks very much for doing that. So we're going to start off on Wednesday, when many of you will be travelling to Le Mans to soak up the atmosphere. And it looks very unsettled across the north and western Europe. There's low pressure parked over the UK. It's affecting many northern and western parts of Europe as well. Upper air temperatures look quite cool. There's lots of heavy showers across France through the course of Wednesday. Big showers, thunderstorms certainly possible here. And temperatures are pretty dismal really, only around 17-18 degrees. I suppose if you get lucky and don't get the showers, you'll be up into the low 20s, but nothing to get excited about. Thursday the 16th looking like this, and low pressure again. It's a trough in the 500 millibar flow in the north and the west of Europe. The upper air temperatures are still cool. There's still lots of heavy showers across France, maybe more in way of showers, possibly merging into longer spells of rain on Thursday. So if you're camping, you will need to take your waterproofs, because there'll be some big showers around through the latter stages of this week. Temperatures again 17-18 degrees. You might be able to increase that to 20 or 21. Friday, it remains the same idea, with a trough of low pressure into the north and the west of Europe. Upper air temperatures are staying cool. There'll be further showers, if not thunderstorms, breaking out across much of France during the course of Friday. Remember, these are showers, so you might get lucky and miss them and not have too much in the way of rain at all. But you will need to take your waterproofs just in case these showers do get going, because they do look quite significantly heavy and thundery. And temperatures again 17, 18, 19 degrees for much of northern France. And then we go into the weekend. This is Saturday, day one of Le Mans, and look at this, we can start to get the ridge of high pressure building in off the Azores, or from the Azores off the Atlantic on Saturday, so sign of an improvement. Upper air temperatures are still cool, but there's much less in the way of shower activity on Saturday. There are still showers around, but generally they're less intense, they're less widespread, so it should be quite a bit drier. And temperatures as a result should lift up. So this is showing around 19 or 20. You could increase that to 21 or 22 degrees. And then we go through to day two, the final day of Le Mans, and we've got the ridge of high pressure building in from the Atlantic very nicely. Upper air temperatures begin to show signs of lifting up. It's turning much drier as well. The showers are fading away, so it's mostly dry, particularly across northern France, by the time we go through to Sunday. And the temperatures, they don't look anything exciting really, 17 to 20, but might be a bit on the pessimistic side, and you could perhaps increase that to around 22 or 23 degrees, which would be very pleasant. So it's the same idea as the last update, and it looks very unsettled through the rest of this week. So Wednesday to Friday, when you're travelling to Le Mans, expect lots of heavy showers and thunderstorms. The actual event itself over the weekend looks much better. Temperatures on the modest side, but the showers will reduce. They won't be as heavy, they won't be as widespread, and there should be a fair amount of pleasant weather to enjoy actually for the Le Mans event itself. We'll do one final update on Wednesday, and that'll be the lot for this year. So come back for that, for the final update on Wednesday. But that's all for now, and thanks for watching.